If your wallet feels lighter than a feather, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about online income that'll fill it up. First up, freelance writing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need articles, blogs, or even social media posts. Got a knack for words? This one's for you. Next, consider selling your skills. Are you good at graphic design, coding, or digital marketing? Offer your expertise on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy. Create a course once and earn money every time someone enrolls. Then there's affiliate marketing. Share links to products you love and earn a commission for every sale. It's like being a digital salesperson. And don't forget about online surveys. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for your opinion. It's easy money for just a few minutes of your time. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start building your online income today. You've got this.